Hello students, in this section we are going to discuss about chapter 4. So on chapter 4 we have especially two things to discuss. Number one is the income statement, and here in the income statement we will be discussing both single step and multiple step. And number two, we will be discussing about cash flow statement. So cash flow statement, and there are two types of cash flow statement. Number one is direct method, and number two is indirect method. Okay, these two. And okay, and now let's discuss about income statement. So on income statement, we will be discussing about the first one is single step. So the single step income statement will be like this. The first one, we know that in the income statement we are showing the revenues and expenses. So in the single step, so the single step will show the revenues. First the revenues, okay, let me show you. So first revenues and gains, then minus, we will be subtracting from revenue, we will subtract the expenses. Okay, expenses and losses. Say it is revenue and it is loss. So after subtracting this one, we will have income. This is let's say income before tax. Okay, and from this income before tax we will subtract tax. So this is our income tax. Okay, so this is our income tax. So after subtracting income tax we find the net income. Okay, we'll be showing some examples. So this is net income. Okay, this is single step income statement. And now we are going to show the multiple step. Multiple step. Okay, on the multiple step income statement, let's see what we will do. First of all, we'll be showing the sales revenue. So sales revenue first, okay, less cost of goods sold, less cost of goods sold. Say this is the amount. Okay, so after subtracting the cost of goods sold from sales revenue, now we have gross profit. So this is our gross profit. Okay, so from this gross profit, we will now subtract. We will subtract the operating expense. So let's subtract operating expense. Okay, so after subtracting operating expense, we now have operating income. Okay, and this is called operating income. Okay, sorry, this is our operating income. From operating income, now we will actually add or subtract other income or expense. So other income or expense. This will be the net. Okay, so this is our other income or expense. So after subtracting the net of other income or expense, we now have income before income tax. Okay, so this is our income before income. I am writing it income tax IT. Okay, now we will subtract income tax. Okay, after subtracting income tax, we get the net income, and this is our net income. Okay, this is the end of the multiple and single step income statement pro forma.